Hello everyone, I am Sam and welcome to Sunroom, and now we are on the 7th attachment on the multifunctional attachment series where I introduce the different attachments for the 2020 City Shaper missions. Now, what we want to do for this specific mission is we want to place some special parts and then we want to dump them onto a specific treehouse. This thing is called a treehouse in the FL missions, and it's a very tall thing that is very simply put together onto our robot attachment because we have this very interesting build on our robot. Now we're gonna go forward and then we're gonna stop and we're gonna let all the little blocks slide onto the treehouse to complete this very simple mission. Now here's the instructions and demonstration on how to build the actual attachment. It's a very simple but very tall build. You have to make sure that everything is placed precisely so you get the spacing correct for this specific height. Now here's the programming and here's the pathway and pathing to this little tree. Now don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, and as always we'll see you next time in the next Sunroom episode. Thank you for watching.